Selecting the Curve option in the Properties toolbox, you can also transform a horizontal building envelope element to a vault. From directly within Plan View, we can set the slope line and decide whether the curvature has to follow the line of slope or be perpendicular to it. From 3D, using the central grip, we can finally adjust the curvature very easily. To define the curvature, you can also use the two segments tangent to the endpoints of the vault and take advantage of alignment points and intersections with other objects.